So you can add members to any course or group a couple of ways. Number one, you could give them the access code. And if that's the case, what a student would do was they would click on courses and they would click on see all courses. And then they would click join a course and just type in the access code. So that's one way to join a course. The other way is that a teacher can go to the members, can enter a course. So you would click on your course, and within your course, you would click on the members tab on the left menu of the screen. Now, this will list all of the members of your class. Anyone with a crown is an instructor in the class. If I want to add members, I can add them manually by just going and typing in their name. And you really don't go by username here. You just type in someone's first and last name. So if I wanted to add, like as an example, Ray Kilmer, I would just start typing in, well, I should probably put Raymond Kilmer. And just hit search, and there he is. So I would click on his name and say add members. So you can add people manually, or you can just give them the access code. Now, the courses that you teach that are imported from Schoology will automatically have the attendance already, all of the members will already be imported. So all of your students will automatically be members of the course. And as students drop and add courses at the beginning of the year, those enrollments will update overnight every single day. So you really won't have to do a lot of them for your individual courses, but if you create your own groups or you're creating your own courses for side items, then you might need to enroll people in classes.